Hello guys, so far we have learnt nearly all the tools and features of Filmora software. So from today onwards, we are going to start our advanced series. Guys, whatever I have taught you throughout the lessons, so we will apply those things in the advanced lessons and we are going to try it out in our actual project. Guys, now in this lesson we will learn how to add a scrolling text in our video. Before that, I want to give you a challenge. That is, in the bottom you have to add a text with a background. You have to give the text animation and make sure it should scroll the text. So download the videos and background music from the resource area. Guys, pause the video and try to complete the challenge. Guys, I think you are stuck in the process. So guys, with the help of keyframe and animations, so I have created a scrolling text in our video. So guys, with the help of this scrolling text, the customers can easily contact you from this contact number. Guys, if you want to create this kind of scrolling text, then how we can create it? So now here you see guys how many things I have imported here. So firstly I have imported 3 videos and a background music, and also I have applied the transitions. I have added 2 text. So here you see if I double click here, then firstly I have added a background and a text. So now guys, I will show you how you can create a scrolling text in your video. So I will simply copy this text. So I will delete both of these. So guys, now we will add a scrolling text. So guys, it is quite easy. Here you see, here it is a text mode. If you click on it, then there are 2 options. So here it is quick text. Click on it and our text is added here. So I will make it as fit to the all things. So now I want to add a background. So I will simply double click here and I will go to the advanced. So in the previous lessons I have showed you guys how you can add a shape. So here you see, if you click on it and here multiple shapes are there. Here you see I want this rectangle shape and I want to resize it. So I will adjust it. Like this you can adjust it guys. So here you see guys, inside this shape, here it is the text. So I will remove it. So here you see, from here you can remove it. And guys, also we want to change the color of this shape. Here you see, if I scroll here, so here you see guys, here it is a shape fill. So I will simply select it as white. So let's click on the apply button. Now here you see guys, our background is added. So here you see guys, at the end the rounded is coming. So we want to remove that also. So click on the shape and after that here you see, here it is a box. If you hover on this, then a hand icon will be displayed. You can move it on the left side and it will be gone. So here you see, so now here you see guys, we want to add a text in front of this. So guys, click on this option, click on the quick text. So the text will be added here. So from the corner you can keep, we have added a background and we have added a text, but why the text is not showing here? Because the text color is also white and the background color is also white. So we need to change the color of the text. So I will double click here and here you see we have to come into the titles and here you see the color is white. So I will change it as black. So now our text is displaying here. So from here you can resize it. So whatever you want to write in the text, so you can write it. So I will paste all the text which I have copied. So I will resize it. So here you see guys, we have added a background also and also we have added a text. So now what we have to do means, firstly we have to give the animation. So let's play the video first. Now here you see guys, our text is in the static position. It is not moving anywhere. So we want a scrolling effect. So what we want means, it should move from the right to the left. So how we can do means, so guys, we can do this thing with many ways. So simply double click on the text and here you can go to the animations and you can click on this left roll. Now here you see guys, your text is scrolling. So now here you see guys, so it is moving in the slow motion. If you want to move this as fast, then what we have to do means reduce the size of this. So let's play the video once again. Guys, here you can see the text is moving. So little bit our speed is increased. So now we want to increase more speed, then we want to reduce this more. So let's see. We have moved this text faster. Guys, if you want to make it as slow, then you can increase the size of this like this. So here you see. So guys, now our text is gone. So here you see, anywhere the text is not present because we have added this text till here only. So what we need to do to add the another part? Simply we have to copy this and we have to paste it. Guys, don't make a mistake to increase from like this. So if you increase like this means the speed will also become as slow. So firstly you have to adjust it, and after that you can simply copy it and you can apply it. So let's play. So here you see guys, we have successfully added a scrolling text in our video. Guys, now I want to change this white color because it is not looking good. So I want a cool background. So if you want a cool background, then here you search it as world. Make sure you are in the titles and after that you search for world. And here you see guys, many titles are there. First you have to delete this background and after that you can add it like this. So let's make it as fit. I will double click here and after that I will remove the text. Now I want to resize it, so I can resize it like this. So let's see the video. So we need to change the color also. So I will double click here and I will go to the basic. Guys, make sure to change the font also. So I will give it as Montserrat. So this text is very attractive. You can simply delete all this and you can copy it and you can paste it like this. So now let's play the video from the starting. So our text is coming fast only. So I will play see. See, our text is here only. So now we want to make our text. So I will remove this part. So guys, from this way you can add a scrolling text in your video. So guys, there is one more method also you can do with the help of keyframes and animations. So guys, this method is very easy. So you can add a text and you can go to the animations and here you see, here it is a left roll. If you click on it, then the animation will be added to the text. The text will start rolling. And guys, the most important factor to become a professional video editor is practice. So guys, that's it for this lesson and I will meet you in our next lesson.